Welcome to Desi Plate Kitchen. Today, we are making a mouthwatering Matar paneer that's perfect for dinner tonight. First, gather your ingredients: fresh green peas, soft paneer, onions, tomatoes, ginger, and spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Start by heating some oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle, releasing that amazing aroma. Then, toss in finely chopped onions and saute until they're golden brown. Next, add ginger and chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes soften, then stir in your spices, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. This is where the magic happens. Now, add the fresh peas and cubed paneer. Pour in a splash of water to create a rich gravy. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing all those flavors to melt beautifully. To finish, garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for that extra zing. Serve hot with naan or rice, and enjoy the delightful blend of flavors. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious dishes. Happy cooking!